For the phone service, Donna pays a monthly fee of $12 and she pays an additional $0.07 or 0.07 cents per minute of use. The least she has been charged in a month is $86.83. What are the possible numbers of minutes she has used her phone in a month? Use M for the number of minutes and solve your inequality for M. So she has a monthly fee of $12. She pays $12 monthly plus, so she pays an additional 7 cents, so plus 0.007 m or minutes, because they asked us to use m for minutes. So m is greater or equal to $86.83. And then we solve for m. So we subtract 12 to both sides of the inequality. So here it's gone. So we have 0.07 m greater or equal to, so 86.83 minus 12 equals 74.83. And then we divide 0.07. So we have m is greater or equal to 0.07, 1069 minutes. So m is greater or equal to 1069 minutes. So Donna use 1069 minutes in a month.